face values and face values. Just we recall that. Okay. So suppose take one number. So this is one number. Put the commas in Indian system. So how to put the commas in Indian system? So first three places are there. So in one period, three places are there. Put the up to 1, 2, 3. Three digit. After put one comma. Then two place values are there in Indian system. So put the two after comma. So 2 digit comma. Okay. So first suppose this number is given. This number is given. So what they are asking for, suppose this number is given. Write the place value and face value of 8. 8. Write the place value and face value of 8. Okay. How to write the place value and face value? Already we know the place values. What are the ones, tens, hundreds, thousand? So 8 in thousands place. So 8 in thousands place. So place value. The place value is 8,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 8,000. 8 in thousands place. So 8,000. Okay, understood? 1, 2, 3. For this 3 digits are there. Put the 3 zeros. Okay, 8,000. And move on to the face value. Face value. What is the face value of 8? 8 is the face. So 8 is the face value. That's it. For this 8, what is the face value means? Here we are seeing 8 number now. So that is the face value. Okay, understood? So this is the place value and this is the face value. Let us check some more examples. I am putting underline which digit are we are taking. Okay. So the underline is there in the digit. So here 7 digit underline. Okay. So we have to find out the 7 place value and face value. See, place value 1 ones, tens. So it means 70. 70. 7 as it is 1 digit. Put the 1 0. Okay. 70. Ones, tens. Tens means of course 1 0 it will come. So 70. And the face value is which number we are seeing here? 7. That is the face value. 7. Okay. Here. So 4 is underlined. So what is the place value? Just look at this. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So what is the place value? 4,000. Write the 4. 3 digits are there. Put the 3 zeros. Simple. Okay. 4,000. And what are the face value? 4. Which number we are seeing here? 4. Just write down the 4 and and 5 is underlined. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So 10,000 means 50,000. Just write the 5 as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there? 4. Put the 4 zeros. Understood? 50,000. Got it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, or 10,000 means 50,000. 50,000. So, which is underlined? 5 is underlined. What number we are saying? 5. So, this is the face value. Okay. So, this is the way we have to find out the place value and the face value. Okay. For Indian system and international system, how to put the commas? How to put the commas? So, just take one number. So, this is one number. So these are the numbers. First, Indian system. Okay. Indian system. Indian system. So in Indian system, one's period has 3 place values and thousands 2 place values, lakhs 2 place value, crore 2 place value. For that period we have to divide the number. So first period 3 place values are there. So Indian. So first period 3 place values. 1, 2, 3. Put the comma here. And next period only 2 place values. 2. So only 2 digits are there. Leave that. So this is the way to put the commas in Indian system. Okay. And see the next one. 1, 2, 3. 3 digit comma and then 1, 2 comma 1, 2 comma. Okay. Why? Because in Indian place value chart, what we are observed in first period 3 place values are there and remaining the periods 2 place values are there. Same like that, 3 digits after comma and then 2 digit comma. Okay. So 3, 2, 2. Okay. Next 1, 2, 3 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 2. Okay, clear? And move on to the international. So international system, all periods have 3 place values. So we have to put comma after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Put the comma. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So which system is this? International system. So then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So remaining only 2 digits are there. There is no number. Leave that one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is the way to put the commas in